take the time to think about what message you want to give to that student as you send them back off into their last year or their last 2 years of college. If you're the person that has had a summer intern assigned to you for the summer, it's so important that you give them critical, detailed, clear feedback, because this is an important time in their career, whether it was their freshman summer, their sophomore summer, or their junior summer. They are in a state where they're trying to figure out what's the right career paths for them. This is especially true if you had a rising senior as your intern for the summer, because this person should take this feedback and it should help them to determine whether or not this is a good career path for them. It should help to clarify what their strengths are. It should give them some insight into the things that they need to work on and the areas where they might want to make a greater investment. So take the time to think about what message you want to give to that student as you send them back off into their last year or their last 2 years of college. Think about the assignment that you gave them, what your expectations were, what the conversation was that you had at the beginning of the summer, and whether or not they have fulfilled all the requirements of the assignment, and more importantly, whether or not they met your expectations. You had some expectations at the beginning of the summer as you met with them. Did they exceed those expectations? Did they fall short? Did they just meet those expectations, and why? You might also want to think about your engagement over the summer. Did you give them clear instructions? Were you actually present? Did they work on their own? Did they show tremendous initiative? Or were they late? Was the work that they produced for you error-free, or did it have lots of mistakes? Did they take the time to review? I'm going through all these questions because I want you to think about their performance in as detailed a manner as you possibly can. The feedback that you give as somebody that they worked for 10 weeks is going to be important with respect to how they reflect on their time and what implications this might have for them in their career or in their graduate study pursuits. Your feedback matters. Take the time to be critical in a good way or in a way that's going to help them to improve. Either way, take the time to give them strong feedback as you send them off back into their college career or into their overall career pursuits. Go get them.